Hi guys, welcome back, it's Zach. As winter approaches and colder weather, at least where I'm located, the colder temperatures and drier air is going to lead to more dry and cracked skin. Today I'm going to be talking about my top 5 body moisturizers that I recommend. Before we jump into this video, if you could hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, that way you'll be notified when I post new videos. I do post a new skincare related video every single Friday. Let's jump into it. As I mentioned these products, they are not in order from 1 to 5 from most recommended to least recommended. There is no order. Each of them have their own benefits. The first product that I'm going to mention is the Cerave Moisturizing Cream in the Tub. This product is insanely affordable and very accessible. As it's very known on my channel, I'm a big fan of Cerave products. Cerave is owned by L'Oreal, and L'Oreal has a lot of money. This product was around before L'Oreal acquired Cerave, and I'm so happy that they have kept it. It is phenomenal. This is a basic cream moisturizer. I've used this on my face multiple times. You just unscrew the top, and then you can just dip in your fingers and pull it out. This also does come in a pump bottle. It's got 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid to help to hydrate the skin. The hyaluronic acid is going to hold on to the water, and the ceramides are going to seal everything in. Other ingredient callouts are glycerin, dimethicone, petrolatum, caprylic triglyceride. And I really like that this uses parabens as the preservative, because when you buy a product at such a large size, you want to make sure that it's going to be well preserved and that there's not going to be any buildup of bacteria and that it's not going to expire for a while. Really recommend this for hands, body, face, you name it. You can put this everywhere. It's great. The second product that I recommend is from Gold Bond. Now be careful when you are getting Gold Bond products. Gold Bond has a lot of really great moisturizers, but unfortunately they do add fragrance in a lot of their creams and lotions. This is the Gold Bond Ultimate Fragrance-Free Healing Lotion. This product I really appreciate. It has glycerin, dimethicone, petrolatum. It also has jojoba esters, aloe vera, and just like the Cerave, this is using parabens to preserve it, which I really appreciate. I'm not sure why there was such a fear of parabens. I think now it's less frowned upon, although people still get really happy when a product says, you know, clean or paraben free. Parabens are not bad. They are the most studied preservative, and they're really safe, and not a lot of people are allergic or reactive to them. I use them, I recommend them. So look for this one from Gold Bond. It's very affordable, 14 fluid ounces. I think it's great. This, again, you can use it anywhere. I don't really like this one as much on my face, but it is very nourishing and moisturizing. All of the products that I'm mentioning, you can pick up at your local drugstore. Similarly, be careful when you're dealing with Vaseline products. They tend to pop in fragrance in random products. But this one doesn't have fragrance. This is the Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisture Vaseline Jelly Cream. It says that it helps severely dry skin. I absolutely love this product. I'm sorry, I hope that you guys can see it. This uses caprylic triglycerides, glycerin. It has the petroleum jelly in there. It also has vitamin E in it, which is going to be softening and nourishing for your skin. This product is amazing. This also has parabens in it to help preserve. This is a very, very moisturizing product. Out of all of the creams that I'm mentioning, if you have severely dry skin and this doesn't take care of it, you need to see your dermatologist or your healthcare provider, because this should really take care of it. I've used this on my face as well. Doesn't cause breakouts, doesn't clog my pores or anything like that. I absolutely love this and I highly recommend it. I have seen it as well in a bigger jar, but this one I originally picked up to toss in my, I think, school bag, just to have it throughout the day after washing my hands. Love it. Again, super affordable. All of these products you can go to your local drugstore and pick up. The next product I'm going to mention is a new product, and boy am I glad that this has come out. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Body Gel Cream. This is a lightweight hyaluronic acid based lotion. It uses hyaluronic acid, which is a humectant, to hold on to water, and then it has other ingredients in it like glycerin, petrolatum, dimethicone, sodium hydroxide, that really seal in the water. This product is very lightweight. You can even use this on your face. In my skincare video, I talk about how I really like the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Gel Cream for my face. This is pretty much a thicker version of that product. If you are on a budget or if you have really dry skin, you can just use this on your face too, as well as your body. Make sure that you're getting the sensitive and dry skin version, as the other version does have fragrance and they do look identical. Just make sure you look for the sticker to ensure that you're getting fragrance free so that it's going to be less irritating for your skin. Neutrogena is another one of those brands that will sneak in fragrance from time to time, so just be cautious. This product gives you 16 fluid ounces, and I picked this up for about $11. Also, Neutrogena is known to go on sale a lot at the drugstore, so make sure that you get the product when it's on sale too. I'm so glad that Neutrogena came out with this. They could have charged $16 for this, and I'd still buy it and recommend it. Awesome job, Neutrogena. The last product that I'm going to recommend is the Eucerin Intensive Repair Very Dry Skin Lotion. This is what it looks like. Eucerin is a fragrance-free brand. Anything that you pick up from them is going to be fragrance-free, and I definitely recommend checking out their products. They do have a lot of different lotions for the face as well as body. A lot of them are interchangeable, so if this one doesn't seem like it's a good fit for you, I am positive that they do have a lotion or a cream that is a good fit for you. So just check them out. This product in particular I really like. It is very thick. It is a rich formula. It does leave a little bit of a greasy feel on the hands, but it really does a great job at moisturizing cracked and dry skin, severely dry. This product also has alpha hydroxy acids, which are going to exfoliate the top layer of the skin, which I really appreciate. Chemical exfoliation is my favorite way of exfoliating, and I love that it comes in this product because a lot of people exfoliate their face and often too much, but they don't exfoliate their body or their hands that often. So this does it for you while also hydrating. The reason that this cream is a little bit greasy is because the second ingredient is mineral oil. Mineral oil is not a bad ingredient. That's another one on the internet that is plagued. If you guys want, I can do a video about ingredients that the internet has said are toxic or bad ingredients. Let me know if you'd like to see that. But mineral oil is not bad. It also has castor oil, sodium lactate, urea, glycerin, panthenol, and then for the preservative here, it uses methyl isoxazolinone, which is a pretty decent preservative, although it is a little bit more risky than parabens are, but they're both just preservatives. I really like this. Again, this is going to do such a good job at hydrating your skin, really sealing in those cracks, and then the alpha hydroxy acid in this is going to exfoliate your skin as well. If you have really dry skin, feel free to put this on your face as well. I think you will tolerate it really well. Although if you have oily skin, I wouldn't really recommend any of these besides maybe the Neutrogena or the Cerave. It even says on the bottom of the lightweight to richness, this is as rich as it gets. So it is pretty thick. Honestly, ending with this Eucerin cream felt really good. My hands feel so moisturized. They're not cracked at all. They just feel really amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know that we're all going to get through the cold season and winter with all of our hand creams. These top 5 you can pick up at your local drugstore. All of them are under $20 and are pretty easily accessible, I think, for most people. Let me know in the comments down below what cream you use that gets you through the dry months.